When it comes to upgrading or replacing doors in your home or business, the installation process can be more complicated than it first appears. While it may seem like a DIY project, installing a door correctly is essential for ensuring it functions well and provides the necessary security and energy efficiency. If you're in Jennings and considering installing a new door, there are several key signs that indicate it's time to call in a professional to get the job done right. Uneven door frame or structure issues. One of the first signs that you need a professional for door installation is if your door frame or surrounding structure is uneven or damaged. Over time, homes can shift due to settling or other natural occurrences. If your door frame is warped, crooked, or damaged, it will be nearly impossible to install the door properly without causing issues with alignment, locking mechanisms, and functionality. A professional installer has the expertise to fix structural issues and ensure the door fits properly within the frame. Difficulty with alignment and hinges. If your current door is misaligned, it can cause a number of problems, including difficulty opening and closing it, as well as wear on the hinges and locking mechanism. A door that doesn't align properly with the frame can lead to increased energy loss, as air can seep through gaps. A professional installer will know how to ensure the door is perfectly aligned, allowing it to open and close smoothly without unnecessary friction or wear. The need for custom door sizing. Not all door installations are created equal. In some cases, you may require a custom door to fit a unique doorway or opening. Whether you are installing a door in a non-standard sized opening or want a specific style that doesn't come in traditional dimensions, a professional will have the tools and skills to measure, cut, and install a door to your exact specifications. Custom doors often require precise work, and hiring a professional ensures the job is completed safely and accurately. Poor insulation and energy efficiency concerns. Older doors, or doors that were improperly installed, can lead to significant energy inefficiencies in your home or business. Gaps around the door or poor fitting seals can allow drafts to enter, making your space colder in the winter and hotter in the summer. This not only compromises comfort but can also lead to higher energy bills. If your door isn't properly insulating your home, it may be time to have it replaced. A professional installer can ensure the door is properly sealed and insulated, leading to a more comfortable, energy-efficient environment. Complicated locking mechanisms or security concerns. Doors play a significant role in your home or business's security. If you notice that your door's locking mechanism is malfunctioning or the door doesn't close securely, it's important to address these issues as soon as possible. A professional door installer can assess the integrity of your door's security features and make sure that the locking system is installed correctly. This is particularly important for external doors, as ensuring proper security is essential for protecting your property. No experience with tools or door installation. If you're unfamiliar with tools or the process of installing doors, it's best to avoid attempting the job yourself. Installing a door requires precision, and if not done properly, the results can lead to future complications. Poorly installed doors can affect the door's performance, security, and aesthetics. For example, improperly fitted doors can cause air leaks, difficulty opening and closing, or cause damage to the door frame. A professional installer brings the necessary tools, experience, and expertise to complete the job safely and efficiently. Increased wear and tear on your current door. If your door is showing signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, warping, or peeling, it may be time for a replacement. A worn-out door not only looks unattractive but can also be a safety concern. A professional door installer can help you choose a durable, high-quality door and ensure it's installed correctly to last for years to come. Time constraints or complex projects. Door installation can be a time-consuming job, especially if it's a more complex installation. If you have a busy schedule and want to avoid the hassle, hiring a professional can save you time and effort. Additionally, if your installation involves multiple doors, complex custom designs, or a significant upgrade, a professional can handle the complexities and get the job done efficiently. Conclusion. When it comes to door installation in Jennings, it's important to recognize when it's time to call in a professional. Whether your door frame is damaged, you need custom sizing, or you're facing security or energy efficiency concerns, a professional installer will ensure the job is done right. Not only will this save you time and effort, but it will also provide you with peace of mind knowing your new door is properly installed, secure, and energy efficient. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, don't hesitate to reach out to an expert to ensure a smooth and successful installation.